Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, coming at you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update for October 2020, we are going to cover Wood County Southwest. That's everything south of US 6 and west of State Route 25. Let me show you here on the map what those areas look like. So MLS Area 52, Southwest Wood County, includes pretty much everything west of 75 in southern Wood County. So that's North Baltimore, Whiteville, Custer, Rudolph, Weston, Portage, all the way up to the southern parts of the outskirts of Bowling Green. So again, this area right here, disregard the Grand Rapids, and it looks like Grand Rapids over here as well. I think somebody miscategorized those when they inputted them into the MLS. But basically, it's everything south of US 6 and east or west of State Route 25. Looking at the numbers here for the Southwest Wood County, we got some pretty interesting metrics. Now, keep in mind that month-to-month comparisons, specifically October of this year versus October of last year, doesn't necessarily tell us a whole lot, but we can try to extrapolate some data from this right-hand column over here. What this is saying is basically there's not enough listings to go around in Southwest Wood County. Last year this time we had 15. This year we only have 8. And even with the shorthand of listings, we're still closing and pending sales are about the same as what they were last year, which is meaning that houses that are hitting the market are selling. They're selling very, very quickly. Looking down at the chart, and when we compare last year's October to this year's October numbers, we are up almost 25%. That's 127,900 for the median sale price versus 102,950 for 2019. And then looking down here for the average sale price, which is the combination of all the houses that have sold in this area, for the month of October, we're sitting at 152,744. As compared to 109,250 in October of 2019. That's almost a 40% increase year over year for the month of October. Crazy. So one thing that's really driving these numbers is the month supply of inventory. Normally when we're sitting at a market that's equilibrium, meaning equal parts buyers to sellers, there should be about 4 to 5 months worth of inventory, which is close to what we had in 2019. Now fast forward to 2020, we're only sitting at about 2.9 months worth of inventory. That's a very, very short amount of inventory for what the market needs in order to keep prices where they are at. That's why we're seeing a year-over-year increase of 3.4% year to date. And what that means is January through the end of October 2019, this area was averaging 115,220 for the average sale price. Flash forward to 2020, January through end of October 2020, we're sitting at 119,80. And that's an increase of 3.4% year over year. Going down here and comparing Wood County Southwest to all other MLS areas, this area is kind of mild compared to all of Northwest Ohio. It's underperformed traditionally, but it's starting to catch up. It looks like in 2019 it was actually exceeding the entire MLS averages. So with any real estate market, we're going to have ups, we're going to have downs. Right now, it appears as though we're recovering from a down part from 2019. But when we look back to 2010, we were sitting at a little below 80,000 for the average sale price. Currently, we're sitting over 100,000. So again, if you invested in this market in 2010, about 10 years ago, you're still sitting pretty well. And even right now, with it not performing as highly as 2019 for the average, and that appears to be maybe end of 2018, early 2019, so January-ish 2019, that's when the peak hit. We're still kind of coming back from that. If you've been considering upgrading, whether it's upsizing, downsizing, moving to a warmer climate, whatever would make you happy, now is still definitely a great time to consider that move, just because there's not enough inventory to meet demand, and what that's doing is it's causing pricing to continue to spike up. Any houses that have hit the market in this market have received almost 100% of what they were listed for. So, excellent time to be a seller. Could also be a pretty decent time to be a buyer with how low interest rates are right now. So if you have any specific questions about your home and how it might perform in today's real estate market in Southwest Wood County, feel free to give me a call anytime. Again, this is Jim T. with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thanks for watching.